What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the company that we're going to be using for the entire month of June. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So for the month of June, we are going to be using Viking Revolution. Now, I've heard a lot of this. I've had people ask me if I've ever used it before because they want to know about it. So I figured what better time to pick up this kit and try it out. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews different than most people do reviews. I purchase my own products. I give you a first impression of the product. That's what we're doing today. And then I'll come back at the end of the month. I'm going to use these products for the entire month. And I'll come back at the end of the month and give you a review. Let you know what I think as a customer about the product, about the company, about shipping, about all of that kind of stuff. I'll let you guys know at the end of the month. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit the subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's dig into this. So as you can see, I have not opened this. It came in. Now, I picked this up on Amazon. I'm sitting a little low today. So, I picked this up on Amazon, but this is the Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Care Kit. It includes beard oil, beard balm, comb, brush, and scissors. Join the Viking Revolution. We've got, looks like some halfway talking about ingredients on here. And so yeah, so let's dive into this and see what we have. We're gonna be using the Gerber flat iron, big cleaver blade. I love this knife. So let's get in this box, get the plastic off. All right, so let's see what we have. I've only heard about it. I've never used anything from Viking Revolution. Oh, presentation is nice. We have a can. So you have a metal can here that you have. And it opens. The lid is attached. So we have join the Viking Revolution. Thank you for trusting Viking Revolution for all your grooming needs. I put a lot of thought into choosing best products for this ultimate beard kit. If for any reason this kit does not meet your expectations, please contact us and we will make it right immediately. Bo. So they have a whole lot of products. This is just their beard kit. All right, so here's what it looks like when it comes in. I just like this. It looks really, really nice. You have a sticker here. Of course, we have a silica pack. What do we have? We have scissors. Oh, they're not cheap scissors. What is this? Oh, I didn't know we were gonna get this. A little mustache comb. Okay, that's kind of wedged down in there in the scissor pouch, our pocket. We've got a beard comb. We've got fine and wide teeth comb. We've got a boar bristle brush. Kind of, let's see, kind of light, maybe medium. They're not firm by no means. Stamped Viking Revolution on the side. And the goodie, we have oil and balm. So let's check these out. Get our sticker out the way. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. So they are kind of shrink wrapped in here. And the balm is as well. So let's go to the balm first. I don't even know if this had a scent. I don't think it had a scent to choose from. I think it's unscented. So, do this without cutting myself. Go ahead and cut this one too. All right. So our oil is an amber glass bottle with a black dropper top. Let's see what our ingredients are. Our ingredients, a perfect blend of 100% pure cold pressed, unrefined golden jojoba, 100% cold pressed, unrefined Moroccan argan. That's all it has in it, I guess. And our balm. I'm trying to figure out where I cut it at. So our balm looks like this. Labels look good. I like these. They're clean and classy. Woo! I'm gonna need a magnifying glass to see these. That's I don't like that. It's printed really tiny. But I'll tell you something that I see on here that I don't see on any other products. And I picked this up on Amazon, and it has a manufacture date and an expiration date. That is what I've been preaching for years. Why do these companies not put this on their products? If nothing else, a manufacture date. I don't care necessarily about expiration because it can change based on where I store it. But if I know your manufacture date, then I know I'm getting, number one, I'm getting fresh product, and number two, I know based on, I can kind of figure out how long it's gonna last, all right? So we've got a manufacture date of, it looks like December of 22 with an expiration date of December of 25. I'm not even gonna try to figure out what these ingredients, what they say, because they are super duper tiny. I'll try to take a picture and throw in here. But it says 100% natural beard balm, 2 ounces. This is what we're gonna smell first. So let's get it open. So it's a little bit yellow. Okay. I get a little citrus, but not bad. I mean, it smells good. Kind of a fresh scent. This has nothing on here about any kind of scent, so I really think it's unscented. The oil has manufacturing expiration date too. This one is October 22 with expiration date of October of 25. It actually has specific date on there. It was manufactured on October 30th. So let's give it a shake. Good gracious. All right, so there's a critique. I wish these had like textured on the side because it is on. There we go. Oh, it is a clear oil. All right, super clear. I'm not picking up anything. No scent. Could this truly be a 100% unscented beard oil? I don't think I've ever smelled one. I get zip. I get nothing out of this. I'm gonna have to break my normal routine and go ahead and put a little bit in my hand. Now this looks very thin, but it's oil, it's not water. It's unscented. This is straight unscented. I can't put it in my beard because it's not the first of the month. So that is an unscented beard oil. And I can tell you, I have been doing beard product reviews for going on 5 years, and I have tested a lot of unscented products. However, I've never found one that was truly smelled like it was like I was smelling water. This is a really thin oil, so that's gonna be part of our test. See how it does, because it says there's only 2 ingredients in this, jojoba and argan. So we're gonna see how that does with my beard. My beard's never experienced only a 2 carrier blend oil that I'm aware of, and I've never experienced anything this unscented. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research for our review at the end about this balm, because I do get a little bit of a citrusy hint on that. But this is unscented, 1 ounce unscented beard oil. So definitely go check it out. I will have a link to Viking Revolution in the description below. You can go check it out. Now I picked mine up on Amazon. I don't know if they have a website or anything else, but I picked mine up on Amazon, and wasn't a bad price for all that you get. We'll discuss that more in the final video. So that's all I've got for today, guys. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit that like button. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.